Hello guys, welcome to all. And in this video, we are going to see another important concept called pipelining. So first of all, you need to know what is meant by pipeline. So pipeline is like grouping multiple steps. That is like output of one step is used as input to another. So we can take example of like same pre-processing of train and trust. So let's go and see what is the necessary of learning this pipelining. So the main important thing is to avoid data leakage. You know, right? Many pre-processing operations, if done before splitting the data set, will lead to data leakage. Yeah, we all know this. Yeah. So, for example, if you input missing values in a column before splitting, the imputer is learning the same mean value from the entire data set rather than just for the training data set. So this may not seem like a big deal, but depending on the circumstances, data leakage can make a big difference in our performance estimates. So like when we are going to impute mean values, you are going to see not to see like entire data set. It should be for only training data set and not for test. Okay, you got much clarity, right? So other pre-processing operations that can result in data leakage includes like standardization, tokenization, and even one-hot encoding. So to avoid this data leakage, we are going to use the concept of pipeline. Yeah. So in the final pipeline, we are going to avoid data leakage since the processing will be applied after splitting when using model evaluation tools such as cross validation score. So this all credits goes to Kevin from Data School where he has explained all these things. Yeah, let's go and see like importing the necessary libraries so as to achieve this task. So I'm going to import like pandas as pd, numpy as np, and like from scikit-learn we are going to use like simple imputer which will fill the missing values, and also using like models like logistic regression. And the main important thing and the core of discussion here is we are importing sklearn pipeline, that is make underscore pipeline. So let's go guys, let's go and create like sample data frame now. So now we are going to use like one column name feature underscore values, and we have respective values like 10, 20, nan and 2. So and the same way we are going to create the second column and its values and also labels this as like a target. So now we are going to create like data frame by using pd.dataframe. I'm providing in a dictionary format like column name and column values, and the same way we are going to create like feature 2 and labels also. So let me execute this statement so that you can see like what all values are present in train. Yeah, sorry guys, I have to execute this cell before. Yeah, we can see the cell is executing and all the libraries are imported to our notebook. So now let me execute this statement now. Yeah, you can see that a data frame is created with two features like feature 1, feature 2 and a target variable, yeah, label. So now let's go and see in the same way how we can create test data set. Now we are going to create like feature 1 and also feature 2 and creating a sample data frame and storing it in a test variable, and this acts like a test data to our task. Yeah, you can see that the data set has been created now. So now let's go and create objects of simple imputer and logistic regression algorithms. Yeah, let's execute this statement now. Yeah. So now we are going to do like two steps pipeline. In the first step pipeline, we are going to fill missing values. For that, we are going to use like this imputer, and again we are going to fit our data to the logistic regression model. So this are like a two steps. So the first step is like this one, and the second step is logistic regression fitting. So let me execute this statement and create our pipeline. Yeah. So now let's go and see like dividing the dependent variables and independent variables by using like train data set on all the features that acts like independent variables here, and the dependent variable is stored in a y variable. Okay. Yeah, let me execute this statement. Also we are doing same for test also. Let me execute this statement now. Yeah. So now you can see the what exactly present in x. Yeah, you can see right, only feature and feature 2 are present in x, and in y you can see that labels are presented here, and finally you can see that in also test only the independent features are present, and we need to find the label for text data set. Yeah, so now let's go and fit the data set and make some predictions. So we are going to use like pipeline.feed, and we are providing x and y. In the same way how we are going to do normal like model.feed, we are changing slightly like pipeline.feed. Okay. Yeah, so and here we are going to get predictions for a test data set by using same like pipeline.predict. Okay, let me execute this statement now. Yeah, you can see right, for all these three features like these three data points in the test, we have corresponding label like a, DA. Yeah guys, in this way we are going to use like the pipeline concept to avoid data leakage, which is very important thing if we're considering machine learning tasks. Yeah. So additional tip guys, when you want to explore more about this pipelining, you can refer this official documentation. With all these things, let's close this session now. Yeah guys, thanks for your time.